Hi and hello guys. Welcome to Experimental Art and Science. This is my co-assistant Arjun and today we are going to tell and show how the glasses make different sounds with different amounts of water. Take some water, 3 or 4 glasses and a metal rod. First of all, take all the ingredients on the table. Number 1. Take the jug and pour equal amounts of water in each glass. Listen the sound carefully. You will be able to hear similar sounds made by the glasses. Okay, now let's observe by trying it with different amounts of water. Now listen the sound of each glass carefully. Therefore, we can say that glasses with different amounts of water make different sounds. But how? It is noticed that empty glass has only air around it. So the glass vibrates quickly when it is hit, causing the high-pitched sound. While a half-filled glass has some water and air in it. Therefore, it plays a somewhat mixed sound. The glass full of water causes the glass to vibrate slower, and the sound you hear is at a lower pitch. Therefore, we can conclude that glasses will produce a particular sound according to the level of water contained in it. Okay, well done, assistant. Till then, bye.